Chennai witnessed high tide and gusty winds as a result of the formation of deep depression in the Bay of Bengal, continuing to move northwestwards. It is very likely to cross North Tamil Nadu-Puducherry coast between Karaikal and Mahabalipuram close to Puducherry around morning of 13th November as depression with a wind speed of 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour. That is what is stated by IMD. That's the latest that is coming in. We have with us my colleague Belly Thomas joining us on the telecast. Belly, good morning to you. And now we are seeing the latest developments coming in the Cyclone Fengal. So what's the latest that is coming when it concerns the Cyclone Fengal's movement?
Ria, the city of Chennai woke up to a very high tide and gusty winds this morning with rough seas, which is clearly an indication that the Cyclone Fengal is expected anytime within 24 hours. Now, according to the Meteorological Department officials here, they predict that Cyclone Fengal is going to intensify. That is, the depression, which is situated around 410 kilometers from Nagapattinam and around 480 kilometers from the southeast Chennai. Is going to intensify, and this particular, the eye of the storm or the center of the cyclonic storm is predicted to move towards the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, which would be in the proximity of about lesser than 180 kilometers is what the Meteorological Department officials say. And because of this heavy rainfall, strong winds and possible flooding alongside the Tamil Nadu coastal regions are expected anytime within the next 24 to 48 hours. So the Karaikal and the Union Territory Puducherry administration has declared holidays for all schools and colleges for the next 2 days, today and tomorrow, 29th and 30th, and they have also instructed the fishermen not to venture into the seas, and the Indian Navy and the Indian Coast Guard are also in full preparations for to face this crisis with their vehicles loaded with food supplies, drinking water, and medical relief items. And they're placed in strategic locations, and even the Navy has informed or given directions to fishermen not to venture into the sea area.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.